How to share a story you're tagged in Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and open the story where you have been mentioned, and you will see the option for reshare this to your story. Tap on the reshare this to your story option, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to share the story to your own story. So, go ahead and make any required changes and then tap on the share button you see there, and with this, the story will be shared on your profile. So this is how you can share a story you're tagged in Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.